I'm nervous. I'm getting a little bit of anxiety right now. I can't even talk. Shut the f up. Everybody. Hey guys, it's Isabel Bedoya. Welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know who I am, I just said it. It's Isabel Bedoya. By the title, you already know what's about to go down. I got a whole new smile design. Before we get into it, let me tell y'all why. So I actually chipped my tooth in Vegas with a bottle. It was really bad. So I decided to get a whole new smile design. I was like, why not? I never was really happy with the last smile design, but I just let it rock because I was like, whatever, it's better than what I had before. Anyways, I had my team reach out to Dr. N, aka Dr. Neil. He and his staff are freaking amazing. They were so welcoming and very understanding of like my chipped tooth and why I didn't like my smile design. And they basically showed me like what I could have, like how my new smile could look like and what I kind of should have, because I'm petite and my old veneers were a little bit too big, not the right color. There was just a couple things that just needed some fixing. We only did 6 in the prior one, and with this one we did 10 new veneers. Before we get into the video though, I just want to talk about things that it's like frequently asked questions. How much? The financing, how was it? It's $2,200 per tooth. Financing is available upon approval, and we do like I work over there. But there is a 24 months interest free, so why not just do it? You know, it's life changing. It's like a everyday. It's like a everyday what? It's like a everyday booster. It just boosts your self-esteem. I don't know, every time I look at myself in the mirror or like I do like videos or like whatever, I'm just like, ooh, period. Without further ado, watch me transform this smile to what I got right now to what I had before. It's embarrassing. Today is finally the day that I get my new teeth.
I got a disposable jacket, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put the sleeves off because I just think in this, that's hot.
They're called the temps.
You want me to do the talking? You're the star of the show. I'm just behind the scenes doing the work. All right, so this is what we're doing today. Isabel has existing veneers from canine to canine. A couple of the veneers are chipped. Some of the proportions and length are off. So what we want to do is replace those existing veneers. I've done a smile design for her. So right now I'm going to show you a stone model of her existing teeth. These are the veneers that she has now.
So embarrassing.
It's not. It's okay. We're going to fix it. Let me show you guys what the smile design looks like. So this is what we are going to accomplish. So we went ahead, we corrected the length of the teeth, I turned it a little bit. We added a veneer to one of her premolars so we could build out her smile. And overall, what we did was we shrunk down the size of the veneer. So one of the things is, Isabella's a little bit petite in a good way.
Fun size.
So she doesn't want to have really big, bulky, wide veneers. We need to make those veneers smaller, narrower. And so that's really the overall goal, is we want to make everything match her proportionally. So these veneers are going to be a lot more natural looking. The proportions are going to fit her a lot better. We just finished the procedure. Reaction time. So here we go in 3, 2, and let's see what's up. So with the sun setting in the background, right? It's like perfect lighting. But now everything's a lot more narrower and feminine. So they're not as big and bulky anymore.
Say hi. I can't even talk. I look ugly as fuck with these little eyes.
Her lips can't move.
Okay, so I got out of my appointment. My lips are still numb. Once my gums and everything has healed, I want to like show you guys the before and the after. But right now I want to vlog me finally being able to eat, like bite into something, because it's been a very interesting, stressful 3 weeks with my temps, because usually it's 2 weeks, but but I missed my appointment, so I had to wait an extra week. And man, those temps were like holding on for their dear life. Like I could actually bite into things. You know how hard it is to cut like it's not hard, but it's just annoying. So like eating pizza, eating tacos, eating a hamburger, I had to cut everything into little pieces and then put it in the back of my mouth, because with temps you can't bite down. So very stressful 3 weeks. But here we are. I'm at Pink Taco on Sunset. I'm about to eat some fucking fajitas and maybe drink a drink or so. Okay, so the guac just came. I'm nervous. It's like I got so used to eating the way I was eating. Nah, I don't even think I can. It's so weird. Like, I could eat normal. Yo, I need to teach myself how to eat again.
Do you think it's good to give a guy 7 days to cut their hose out? Like when you start talking to them?
Bitch, I'm vlogging. I vlog.
You're testing out your veneers.
Correct. It feels so weird to be able to bite normal. They feel secure. Yeah. I could eat normal. Period. Can you see me? Can't even see my damn self. So I'm walking backwards for the light, but today I'm getting... There was somebody staring at me, hold up. Okay, so this is my last dentist appointment. Today we're taking the before and after. Oh my god, I'm like out of breath. Yo, having a car and finding where to park, nobody talks about that when you have a car. Okay, a whole struggle. Like, I might even get told, like, hopefully my car is there when I get back, because I am pretty sure I parked somewhere I wasn't supposed to, but...
We actually post one,
Okay.
so that you're not getting sun.
Alright guys, I am at my final appointment, finally.
You're at your final appointment, finally.
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 So we just did the before and after of my transition with my veneers. I'm gonna
She meant to say transformation, not transition. It's transformation.
Okay, transformation of my before and afters. Y'all can see the before and after is intense. He made them smaller, whiter. What else did we do?
Change the contours, change the length, and we also added a lot more natural characteristics to it.
Yeah.
So you'll see those in the before and afters. You'll see all the translucency and anatomy that we added to Isabel's teeth. So now they're a lot more proportional to her face, her facial features.
He's gonna take on the camera and show you guys a close-up. Okay, so I just want to give a huge shout out to you.
Thank you.
I appreciate this work you did on me. Freaking fantastic.
She was great. She was a great patient. And look how amazing your smile was.
Okay guys, I'm gonna put his Instagram right here. You guys can go follow him, check out the videos. Let us know what you guys think of my transformation.
Comment below, like, no, I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
No, comment below, like, tell us what you think of Isabel's smile transformation, her before and after. I redid her original veneers, so hopefully you guys can see what a drastic difference and what improvement that actually made on her overall face and facial features. So it was a pretty exciting case, and I love the way it turned out.
Thank you guys.
Nice.
Make sure you guys are following him on Instagram. We have the before and after pictures, the during the process video. We have all of that on his Instagram, so make sure y'all check it out and give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below any questions you guys have for me and Dr. Neil, anything that I didn't cover on the video. And I hope y'all love my smile as much as I do. If I thought I was that bitch before, best believe it's up here now. Okay, bye. I'm good.